I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. Hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a water, and I want to talk about memorizing stuff for English when you were in high school. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm actually in a different location and in a different car. We're having the Easter egg hunt at work, and so I had to drive Marvin's car because I needed to bring the ice chest with ice in it, and I'm also parked in another parking lot, which has absolutely nothing to do with memorizing stuff for your high school English class, which is what we're going to talk about today. When I was in high school English class, we had to memorize stuff. I'm not really sure why, but we did. One of the things that we had to memorize was Dante's Inferno in Middle English. Juan that April with a shora sota, the draught of March hath pierced to the rota. I don't even remember what that means, to be honest with you. But I probably didn't even say it right either. And another thing that we had to memorize was a thing from Julius Caesar, the play by William Shakespeare. For a half second, I was doubting that it was William Shakespeare that wrote it, but I don't think we read any other plays by anybody else. You know that speech in there that goes, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears." Well, I'm going to show you how I memorized that. This is going to be a little hard to do because I'm filming with this hand, and so I don't have both my hands, but I'll show you. Because I did it with hand gestures. So I went, friends, and then I put my arm like that, and then I did Romans with the other arm. So friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. And then that's all I remember. But I remember that much. I'm sure there's a really, really good reason for memorizing stuff in English class in high school. So if you know why, you can leave me a comment and let me know. That's how I memorized stuff when I was in high school. I would put hand motions to it, you know. That's like a little learning hack for you, like a little study tip, if you will. So, you're welcome. That's what I want to talk about today, how I memorized stuff for English class in high school. So if you have a different way, let me know. Or if you tried my way and it worked, let me know. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome. And on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life, though, because that's creepy.